5 amazing home decor ideas using terrariums. 1. Light bulb terrarium. This kind of a terrarium home decor is very perfect for houses with small size and space. Using only used light bulbs, you can fill it up with soil and small plants. You can also choose moss to be the filler for the light bulb terrarium home decor idea. By creating many of the light bulbs terrarium, you can start to put them all over your house. You can put them on the desk, living room table, night desk, or anywhere. 2. DIY terrarium decor. What you need to create a natural atmosphere in your house is creating DIY terrarium decor made from tins. You can start by finding materials to make this decoration. Main materials are gravels, air plants or other plants with soil, and moss. The most additional material is probably spray paint. After you paint the tins with spray paint, you can simply just add the main materials into the tins terrarium decor. The terrarium will be hung perfectly on your walls. 3. Fishbowl terrarium idea. The fishbowl terrarium is a very perfect decoration for the inside of your house, mostly to be the table's ornament. Firstly, you have to buy some brand new fish bowls. The fish bowl size should be measured according to the size of your table. Then again, plants such as succulents, or other indoor plants can be put inside the fish bowl. You might also add gravels too, to make the decoration inside the fish bowl terrarium better. 4. Mini greenhouse. To create a mini greenhouse, you should prepare things such as an open or closed glass container. After that, you should also create a greenhouse-like wooden frame for placing the glass container. Next, you need to add putting soil to the container. Lastly, of course you should place the chosen plants to the container, and maybe you could also add some decorations for perfecting the mini greenhouse terrarium. 5. Jam jar terrarium. It will be great for you if you do not litter your jam jars as soon as the jam runs out. You will be surprised at the variety of crafts that can be made from jam jars. One of those crafts is jam jar terrarium. Before creating the simple decoration of terrarium using jam jars, you should always clean the jars. Then, you could put soil and small plants into the jam jar, and of course placing the jam jar under the sun will make the plants live well.